Welcome to this lesson on the properties of logarithms. Today, we are going to focus on one of the most fundamental rules you need to know in algebra, the product rule. This rule helps us simplify complex expressions and solve equations more easily. Before we dive into the rule, let's quickly remember what a logarithm is. A logarithm is just another way to write an exponent. When we see log base b of y equals x, it is the exact same thing as saying b raised to the power of x equals y. Keep this connection in mind, because the rules for logs come directly from the rules for exponents. Here is the product rule. It states that the logarithm of a product, like x times y, is equal to the sum of the logarithms. In simpler terms, if you are multiplying two values inside a log, you can split them apart by adding their individual logs together. Let's visualize why this makes sense. Since logarithms represent exponents, think of them as lengths. If multiplying the base numbers corresponds to adding their exponents, then the log of x plus the log of y gives us the total length for the log of x times y. We are literally adding the powers together. Let's look at a numerical example to prove this works. Suppose we want to find log base 2 of 32. We know 32 is 8 times 4. Let's see if we can use the product rule to break this down. So we rewrite log base 2 of 32 as log base 2 of 8 times 4. Using our rule, we split this into log base 2 of 8 plus log base 2 of 4. We know 2 cubed is 8, so the first part is 3. 2 squared is 4, so the second part is 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And indeed, 2 to the power of 5 is 32. This is especially useful with variables. If you have the log of 3 times x times y, you can expand it completely. This becomes log of 3 plus log of x plus log of y. You can split as many factors as you have. Be very careful not to make this common mistake. The product rule applies when you multiply inside the log. It does not work if you are adding inside the log. The log of x plus y is not the same as log x plus log y. There is no simple rule for the log of a sum. To summarize, logarithms turn multiplication into addition. This works for any base and for any mix of numbers and variables. Just remember the warning: never try to split up a sum, only a product. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.